Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Solvers. Here I want to find the value of a times b, where a minus b is 2 and a cubed minus b cubed is 56. This is a good question for you if preparing for GRE or GMAT, and the difficulty level of this question I think is medium. So let's see how can we solve this. Well, here we have a cubed minus b cubed equals 56, and we know that we can write this a cubed minus b cubed as a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. So we know this, well, this is actually a cubed minus b cubed, okay? And this is 56. And we already know that this a minus b is 2, so I can replace that directly here by these 2. And if I do so, then I can divide each side by 2, and then it would tell me that since this and this cancel out each other and this equals 28, then we can directly say this expression is 28. Okay. Let me label this as equation 1. All right. On the other side, we know let me use different color. We know a minus b squared is a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. All right. And we know a minus b is 2. So this expression on the left side of the equation sign, the equality sign, is 2 to the power of 2. So I can replace this. I can replace this part by 2. So we have 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. 4 equals a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. So let me write it as a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b equals 4. And then I label this by equation 2. So now we have two equations. The first one says a squared plus b squared plus a times b is 28. Well, here I'm pointing this one. I just replaced this and this. I swapped this too, so it doesn't make any change because there is some addition sign in between. And the second equation is a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b equals 4. All right. Now I just need to subtract the equation 2 from equation 1. So this is 1, this is 2. I just need to find 1 minus 2. All right. If I do so, then we have a squared plus b squared plus a times b minus a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. And we know this equals 28 minus 4. All right. And you see this and this. Well, if I distribute this negative sign, this minus sign, to the terms inside this pair of parentheses, then we would have, let me do that first. We would have minus a squared minus b squared plus 2 times a plus b. So what I did is that I distributed the negative sign. So you see that this a squared and this a squared and this a squared cancel out each other. B squared and b minus b squared cancel out each other, and we have a times b plus 2 times a times b equals 28 minus 4. So these all cancel each other, and from this we got 3 times a times b equals 24. All right. This is telling me that if I divide each side by 3, this and this cancel out each other, and this equals 8. Okay, so I can conclude that a times b equals 8, and then we are done.